In this session, let us learn about logistic distribution. Logistic distribution. Logistic distribution is used to describe growth. Used extensively in machine learning, in logistic regression, neural networks, etc. It has three parameters. LOC means where the peak is a default 0. Scale, standard deviation, the flatness of distribution default 1. Size, the shape of the returned array. Draw 2 into 3 samples from a logistic distribution with mean at 1 and steady dev 2.0. See, by executing this code, the result returns this. Visualization of logistic distribution. From NumPy import random, see, by using this code, the result returns this. Difference between logistic and normal distribution. Both distributions are near identical, but logistic distribution has more area under the tiles. This is, it represents more possibility of occurrence of an event further away from mean. For higher value of scale, standard deviation, the normal and logistic distributions are near identical apart from the peak. By executing this code, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is end of part 23, logistic distribution. In next video, let us learn about another topic, multinomial distribution. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.